What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with our space week, and sorry for the delay for so much days, but we are now continuing with the space week and up to our second project, the rocket. So as you can see, we got a rocket. As usual, every rocket has first, second and third. Every rocket has 3 stages. And this is a compartment where they store the satellite. So now we got the first stage. The first stage is using heavy 4 boosters, but actually they are larger. These is having 5 boosters, but they're smaller in size. This has only 3 boosters, and they are also smaller in size. So let's start our build. So here we have the rocket in pieces, and obviously we are going to start our build with the first stage. So you will take this big piece. Now you're gonna take this one and put it right over here, just like that. Okay. Now you will take another piece, and that's the second stage. You'll put this first right over here, and this stage over here. Now we come to the third stage. First you will put this over here and this right over here. So these are the 3 stages. Now we're gonna make the compartment where the satellite is stored. First we will make this and take another one of these and put them like that. Now take these and put these like this. They should be in 2 halves. This one and this one, like that. So they will be like that. And now we'll go for the top piece, like this. So this is our rocket. Now let's take the satellite. This is our satellite with the solar panels on the side of it. Now we will make the electric boosters. Usually all satellites don't have electric boosters because they are expensive. Now we are gonna make the radar dish. You're gonna need this, and this. Now you will put this on the satellite. We're done. And when your satellite is done, open the compartment, put your satellite in there. Here you got a beautiful and large rocket. So thank you for watching this video. Please leave a comment, leave a like, please subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't be missing any of our new videos.